Hello and welcome back to Project Zomboid. Today I'll be playing Project Zomboid, but I have a chainsaw. This thing uses a shit ton of gas, is loud, and really should only be taken out at certain times. Shut up. So, the reason I have a bag is because gas. So my plan today is to try and escape Louisville. I'm using it like a baseball bat, which is interesting. But if it works, it works. I mean, gotta give props. It is working. Well, look at that. We have a walking car. And I have a jug of gasoline in my bag. Convenient or what? We can probably stop at a gas station. Okay, you guys are a little annoying. There we go. Let's fill her up a little more. Okay, that's enough. That should be enough for now. The chainsaw is brutal, but it uses fuel a lot. So if you wanted to use that as a weapon, you would need to, like, I don't know, have a gas station as a base. Okay, problems. We're on this side of Louisville. And the last time I saw a gas station in Louisville, I can't remember. So, I don't know. It really depends if we get lucky. We do need to make it to the main road, though. That's our first issue that we need to solve. Having a walking car is nice, though. Yeah, sure, it's loud. Holy crap, this chainsaw mod is lagging the absolute shit out of my game. Probably because it's like 3 years old. Yep, this is an old chainsaw mod from, like, the original game. No joke. When it was all pixely and before the multiplayer update. Stuff like that. Ooh, fancy houses. Too bad I don't care. So where would the main road be? It would be that way. So I missed my turn. That's amazing. You know, your average day, you're just driving around and then, oh no, I gotta park my car with my dented door somehow. I don't know how you drive around with something that dented without, like, a cop pulling you over or something. Probably because it's Kentucky. But who knows? Maybe that's just how that works. I don't know. I don't drive. Can tell you that much. Alright, we're almost there. It looks like there's not gonna be a gas station until we exit Louisville. Which is really surprising. Because you'd think there would be a gas station in a major city. And I've been to Louisville, and there was a bunch of gas stations, actually. I don't know, though. And I've been to Louisville in real life. That's what I mean. Yeah, I don't know. I'll cut you guys if anything interesting happens or if we find a gas station. After driving like a maniac for a while, we have found the gas station. It's on the outskirts of the Louisville. But who cares? It's fine. I don't want to refill this with zombies nearby. I'm sorry, but they must perish. Come on. Just die. Yes. No. This thing is exceptionally loud. I found one earlier, but it didn't have gas, and I think that was kind of lame. Because it having gas represents a big problem. Also, me having this jug of gasoline, holy shit, that's overpowered as hell. I'm gonna drop it and switch it out for a gas can if I find one in the gas station. Because, well, I don't know how much fuel this thing can hold max. So maybe it's like a whole jug of that gasoline. I don't know. Nobody knows. This is a gigamote with a connected gas station, like a Costco or something like that. Man, I thought this was an actual gas station. Come at me. I have a chainsaw and I'm not afraid to use it. If I was, I wouldn't be using it. That's a nice jacket. I'll take that from you. Come on. Die. I was about to say, hold up. No one else? No one else. There we go. Flight jacket. Nice. Now we need the screenshot for the thumbnail. Alright, let's... Can you... unequip? Lettuce. Put gas in the chainsaw. What? I have gas. Does the jerry can not even walk? What? You're joking me, right? No way, that doesn't even work? Aw, that's... I need a prop... Oh, no. Oh. Can I not refill it? Okay, I can. That's not annoying at all. I'm empty. Then how can I put more gas in it? Oh, never mind. I shouldn't even have this car. That's, I see. Shit. I could just get out, but... fuck. Okay. Now I think that's considered cheating, because I started with that, and I can't even use it. Fuck. I'll consider it fine for now. It's not that big of a deal. I won't even refuel the car, so it won't even matter. Didn't even use that much. I would siphon some out, but don't want to. Yeah, but we're pretty close to the border anyways, so it shouldn't really matter that much. I mean, right? Aren't we close to the border? Yeah, we're pretty close. So I'll probably just cut to you guys once we're there. After more driving like a lunatic in a car I shouldn't have, we've made it to the checkpoint. Now, all I theoretically need to do is open the gates, drive. Correct? Yeah. Problem. I don't know if I can in this car anymore. That's a bit of an issue. Right there. I bet there's another blockade. Shit. Get back in your car. Whew. Cars can kill you so fast. They are dangerous, unsafe, and so many more things. But Project Zomboid. They're fun to use. I have a gas can full of gas and a chainsaw. And I'm not afraid to use both. I just hope I don't run out of gas. Okay, this thing is very loud. But it's worth it. Come on. Oh yeah, while we're here, might as well talk about my channel logo. That is a screenshot that I don't have anymore. From right before I jumped out of a window of a house after being bit. That was like my first 20 minutes of the game, no joke. I don't have that save anymore. I don't have that screenshot anymore. It's gone. But like, it was my first 20 minutes. If I can remember correctly, I had a leather jacket, no gloves, some jeans, a bite on the left arm, a hard hat, and safety goggles? I can't fully remember, but that's what I think I had. Anyways, I like how I'm just totally not focusing on any of the zombies or making any commentary on me just murdering a shit ton of zombies. That was great. Yeah, I think we're also gonna need to consider this one a win. It's kind of like the SWAT one, just faster, I guess. I don't know. Murdered a shit ton of zombies. How many? 104 zombies in less than a day. So, yeah. I don't know. I put it on random spawns, so whatever spawn I get, I walk with. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and, I guess I'll see you guys next time.